आई एम मैनेजिंग माई ओन फाइनेंसेस और इससे मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ता है. Women can actually be excellent investors and financial planners.
जॉब शुरू करने के बाद आई हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. खुद का पैसा कमाना और उसे फ्रीली यूज करना इज जस्ट दैट अमेजिंग.
आई फील वेरी प्राउड. मतलब अपने पैसे खुद मैनेज करना और अपने डिसीजंस खुद लेना.
फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस का मतलब अब समझ में आया है कि सिर्फ पैसों में नहीं बल्कि अपने फ्यूचर में इन्वेस्ट करना है.
तो देखा आपने फाइनेंशियल एम्पावरमेंट फॉर विमेन, फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम. लेकिन कैसे, आइए बताती हूं. वेलकम टू द स्पेशल एपिसोड ऑफ फिनोमिक्स ओनली ऑन ओ माई फाइनेंस. आई एम योर फाइनेंशियल फ्रेंड चारू गर्ग. Wishing all the females out there a very happy International Women's Day. In today's episode, we will tell you about the financial empowerment tips for women. But before moving forward, you know what you have to do? Just like, share and subscribe to the channel. As it is said, financial planning is always a men's domain. So why women should be aware about her finances? Well, women should be equally responsible to manage their finances. So here are the list of financial products and services women can opt for this Women's Day. Number 1 is savings account for women. A basic saving accounts provide a safe place to store money while earning some interest. It's a good starting point for building an emergency fund. Many banks are offering this service. Banks like IndusInd Bank and ICICI provide Indus Diva Women's Saving Account and ICICI Bank Advantage Women's Saving Account. Bank of Baroda has Baroda Mahila Shakti Saving Account, RBL Bank Women's First Savings Account, IDBI Bank Super Shakti Women Account in India. They offer specialized saving accounts for women. Number 2, government backed schemes. इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने ऐसी बहुत सारी स्कीम्स और सर्विसेज हैं जो खास तौर पर महिलाओं के लिए निकाली हैं. पहली है सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना. That is an investment scheme for parents of girl child, specially meant for girl child, encouraging long-term financial planning for their daughter's future. दूसरी स्कीम है महिला सम्मान सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट जो कि खास तौर पर महिलाओं के लिए है. This is an initiative designed to promote saving and investment among women and girls. This scheme launched as part of Budget 2023, which offers a one-time opportunity and is accessible for 2 years, spanning from April 23 to March 25. Number 3 is loans with benefits for women entrepreneurs. यानी कि जो फीमेल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं या जो महिलाएं अपना बिजनेस शुरू करना चाहती हैं उनको खास तौर पर गवर्नमेंट ने स्पेशल ऑफर्स दिए हैं लोन्स पर जो वो अवेल कर सकती हैं. Women can access different types of loans with favorable terms such as business loan, home loan, gold loan. Business loan encourages entrepreneurship with special loan schemes for women-owned enterprises. They can have lower interest rates and easier eligibility. Home loans पे भी generally females को interest पे कुछ concession मिल जाता है. Gold loans में quick loan disbursal मिलता है and at competitive interest rates. लीडिंग प्राइवेट बैंक्स हैं, पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स हैं और नॉन बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं जो ये स्कीम्स ऑफर करती हैं. फ्यू एंड सिलेक्टेड लेंडर्स also offer business loans and working capital loans at concessional interest rates to women entrepreneurs. Some schemes like Sant Kalyani scheme, Mahila Udyam Nidhi scheme, Mudra loan for women, Istri Shakti package, Bhartiya Mahila Bank merged with SBI Bank introduced this loan scheme for aspiring women entrepreneurs offered by financial institutions. Fourth is life insurance. Life is very unpredictable. So, just like men, every woman should also have their life insured. चाहे आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, चाहे आप वर्किंग मदर हैं, चाहे आप सिंगल मदर हैं, आपको लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ज़रूर कराना चाहिए. So there are several term plans available in the market for earning women, self-employed women, housewives and single mothers. And last but not the least, health insurance. हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस विमेन ज़रूर अपने पोर्टफोलियो में इंक्लूड करें बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हेल्थ केयर एक्सपेंसेस कैन एस्केलेट अनएक्सपेक्टेडली, लीविंग इंडिविजुअल्स बर्डन्ड विद ह्यूज बिल्स. So health insurance provides a safety net, ensuring that every woman have access to quality medical care without the constant worry of depleting their savings. But remember, before opting for any financial product or service, it is very mandatory that you should access your risk profile, your financial goal, and overall financial situation. Also, before making any investment, always consult your financial advisor. So that's all in today's episode. This International Women's Day, let's embrace the power of financial wisdom. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and also do subscribe to the channel. Until then, happy finances.